GreenBean is an organic food and coffee company located in central London. The company wishes to improve the flow rate of customers during peak times, in particular during lunchtime. This is where the company contacted the Cool Beans team to make improvements for the business. After realising there was need for improvement at GreenBean, the team considered their design cycle in order to come up with a suitable solution. The need was there, the need for faster service at the restaurant. The team, who was used to work in sprints based on the Scrum system, decided to come up with a solution. The brief was to make an app to reduce queues at peak times at the restaurant, especially at lunchtime. It should be desirable, viable and feasible, simple and user-friendly. And thus, the app was made over a period of 3 sprints, accessible from all major smartphones, installed like all other apps and appears on the home screen. The menu is simple to use. To make an order, the customer simply presses New Order. The app then navigates the customer to a map of all restaurants, calculates the walking distance to all of them from the location of the phone. When a restaurant is chosen by tapping on the location pin, an information page about the chosen location appears. The user has the option of getting directions to the chosen restaurant, call the restaurant or confirm that choice as a pickup location and is then navigated to the food menu. The user can scroll through the menu. To add an item to the shopping basket, a tap on the basket next to the item is required. To view what items have already been selected for the order, the user taps See Basket. In the basket, the user can change the quantity of each item by clicking the plus or the minus, and get information about the chosen product by tapping its name or the image. Information includes ingredients, calories, and allergy information. When the back button is pressed, the user goes back 1 page. To complete the order, the user clicks Accept and Check Out, which leads the user to the payment page. When the payment information has been inserted, the user submits the order and is presented with a list of all previous orders made from this account. The most recent one appears at the top of the page. Details on orders can be seen by tapping on the desired order. By pressing the back button several times, the user gets back to the main app menu. Previous orders presents the user with the same page as seen before, the entire order history of this account. If the user taps About Us, a page with short description of the company pops up, with the options of calling GreenBean, email them, or to leave a feedback. The feedback page presents the customer with the option of giving GreenBean stars out of 5 or to write a comment. When pressing the back button several times to get back to the main app menu, the final option is to scan a QR code. This opens the phone's camera and is used to scan a QR code from posters located in the areas around the GreenBean restaurant. When the user sees a poster, much like this one, the camera is used to scan the desired meal option. The customer is presented with a page where the scanned items has been added to the basket. The unique QR code automatically chooses the nearest pickup location. The customer is also provided with special deals only available on pickup, such as 20% of all coffee. The customer can then choose whether to add more items to their order or to proceed to checkout. With that, the app has been conceived, which brings the team back to the testing stage. Asking potential customers, this is the feedback the team got. John Archer, costume designer. I like the app, especially the colour combination. Mr. and Mrs. Hall. The GreenBean app is straightforward and easy to understand. Using it would encourage us to order from the restaurant, as we don't like standing in queue for very long at a time. Nörkve Ragnarsson, student. Good and easy to use. Dalize Reyes, student. Cool app, but I would like to get notifications when my order is ready. Having gotten the feedback, the team made adjustments to the app design and added the notification feature. When the order is ready, a notification appears on the screen of the phone, regardless of whether the user has the app open or not. The team is currently working on the last 2 stages of the design cycle, to finish and to use. The app should be available for the public to use by autumn 2015.